I think social media often shows the outcome of rebuilding. The confidence, the success, the transformation. But honestly, very few people talk about what it actually looks like while you're living through it. Because for me, rebuilding looked like paperwork, applications, difficult conversations, rejections, starting over financially, trying to stay strong for my children while internally questioning everything. It looked like sitting at my kitchen table late at night trying to figure out the next step. It looked like uncertainty, a lot of uncertainty. And honestly, I think that's important to talk about. Because when people only see the outcome, they assume they're doing something wrong in the middle. But they're not. The middle is messy. The middle is uncomfortable. The middle is where rebuilding actually happens.